Okay, we're going to set up this press machine I bought a while ago. These are all, you get all these with them, or you can buy extras, whatever you want. Ringlets, handle, the machine itself, fair beast. And these are all the dies for pressing the ringlets, more ringlets, more ringlets. So let's get him out of the box. Now, one thing it didn't come with, which I was quite shocked with, is the cutter. You don't have a cutter. So I had to purchase one. If I can remember where I got it from, I'll put that in the link in the description down below. Okay. So how this works is, just quickly, while we're here, this is a little brass seat, and that sits in there. And you can screw that in nice and tight. Did you see that? I'll do that this way around. So there we go. And then screw that up. Okay. And this is your cutter. And it looks like that just screws in there. Tell you what, don't fit the brass thing first, because you can't get the cutter in. So this should be the right one. Let me have a quick look. Ah, we've already got one in there. Plonker. So I've already got I didn't put that in there, so that must be already in there when it came. So we unscrew that, and then we put the cutter in. Now this cutter is for a certain size. I forgot what size it was, but they're not going to be very big clips. Let's have a quick look. Alright, and then it goes in. Okay, then we're going to put the handle on. That's a stop. That's okay, that's not too tight. And then this one comes undone. Push that through. There we go. So nothing has to be major tight, just finger tight for now. Right, let's have a look at what eyelets we got. Okay, so like I said, we have a selection of eyelets, and these came with it, and I got to admit, I'm not impressed with them. I mean, they're I suppose once they're on, they're fine, but the actual eyelet press, these, look at this, so thin. I mean, that's two there. Oh my God, look at that. Not impressed with that at all. Okay, so just for a second, let's move them to one side. We've got a few of this type, and then we've got these. These are I bought these separate. Let's have a look. See, heavier, a lot more substantial. These have got their own cutter as well, so you can see I've done it before, but I've got a lot to do, so I needed a machine. So those are substantial, they're quite good. And I've got the ringlets for them as well. Let me have a look. Okay, look at them. Sorry, look at them. And then look at the press bit that goes on the top. Look at the difference. It's got a little lip as well. That should fits over, and it should. Look at that, the fit. So these are far better quality. I'm just trying to think. Anyway, so that's them. So I've got plenty of them, lots of them. Alright, I've got them. Right, okay. I've got these as well. These are quite, these are substantial. Yeah, they're the same, I think. Okay, so I'm going to use these. If I find the link, I'll put it in the description down below. Okay. These look more substantial, and it looks like the cut-in diameter should be okay, I would have thought. It looks all right. Anyway, we'll give it a go, and then you can come with me and we'll have a look and see how I'm doing them. Okay, I've not done this myself, so you are with me all the way on this. So I'm going to do one in each corner. Ooh, look at that. Now that is impressive. That just went straight through. So one in each corner. Actually, I might just follow this round now. I'm going to do, because this is going to be a tarp for going underneath my bivvy. So take it about the same in, about that much in. It doesn't matter where you sit it, and then what it does, it accumulates. Look at this. It accumulates inside the actual about there, about inside the actual cutter, and then when you take it out, you can just, there's a hole in it, and you just push them all through. So a little bit further in. So can you see that? So look at that. Make sure you get a bird's eye view of this one. So it comes down, same position. Boom. Look at that. Okay, I'll carry on with these. You see how quick this is. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Ready? We'll put one here, there, and then one right in the corner. And that's gone through 4 there. Okay. So there you go. We could probably do the whole lot without even emptying it. Pretty impressive. Sorry, all I did to empty it was just put the end of a pair of scissors just in there and just pushed, and they all fell out. That easy. And of course, when it's full, it won't let you cut anymore. So I'm going to try and get these out of it. I think I forced these in a bit too tight. Be careful, because that blade is extremely sharp. This here. Oh, maybe we could push it out a few. Maybe. Nope. God, blimey, they are. I think I went a bit too mad with them. Alright, pair of scissors. You might want. Well, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Just be careful with your fingers. Yep. There we go. Okay. As you can see, lots of little circles. Right, we're going to start having a go with these. So we're going to change this over for the right press, and then we'll start putting these eyelets in. Okay, so we've got 3 presses. 1, 2, 3, and then 3 top presses as well. So of course it's going to be the biggest one because it's the biggest eyelet we got. That goes on, and now I've got to figure out which one of these it is. I'm thinking it's going to have to be this one, but I don't know how that's going to work. So I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to give it a demi run and see what happens. It doesn't really matter. So we're going to screw him in. I think there's no instructions with these, by the way. So I presume we put that. Well, they can't do a demi. Nah. How does that work like that? That's just going to hit there. Unless I'm doing. Just bear with me. Unless I'm just being a total plonker. 2 seconds. Do you know I just said, am I being a total plonker? I am. Watch this. I told you I'd never used it before. Right, so they all go down. Right, now I know where we are. Okay, so I'm pretty right. So what we do that, then that goes through the. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's not do a demo. Let's do it. Now, because these are my own eyelets I bought. Sorry. Okay. I'm not too sure if this is going to work. These are quite large. Sorry, can you see that? Give it a go. Oh, come on, look at that. Well, well, well. Now that was thick. That was 1, 2, 3. That's 4 layers of. This is quite a good top. Let's try it on just a 2-layer one. Let's see what happens with that. So if you want to save time, these machines, oops, are pretty good. Alright, so feed the top over. There we go. Put them in. And press. Oh, that's even better. Look at that. I must put too much force on that one. But look at that. That is brilliant. Let's do another one. Doing that, don't I? It doesn't matter. So there we go. And then a lid. So the lid goes on. Can you see that? Focused. Down like that. Over the top. And then you just press. I went a bit too hard again, yeah, but it doesn't matter. Look at that. What a great bit of kit. And there we go. How to use one of these machines and making your own tarplet with eyelets. If you enjoyed the video, I'm going to finish all these off, by the way. I got a lot to do, hence why I bought this machine. This is absolutely amazing bit of kit. If I've got the link, I'll put it in the description down below, and also with these other, if I can find the brass ones, I'll put them in the link as well. Take care. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. I do all my videos, you get to watch them for free, so there is adverts on my channel. I do apologise, but that's the only way to make a little bit of cash. Alright, take care, catch you in the next one. So yeah, so thumbs up makes a massive difference to the channel. Take care, bye!